Pytesseract, trying to detect text from on-screen. I'm using MSS in conjunction with Pytesseract to try and read on-screen to determine a string of characters from the region being monitored. My code is as follows. And I get returned with the following error: attribute error, numpy.array object has no attribute read. I have also tried converting it back to an image using pyplot as indicated by the commented line in the code sample. However, that prints back the error, type error, image is not a numpy array, neither a scalar. I'm somewhat new to Python, just started dabbling with it on Sunday. However, I've been rather successful with my other attempts at detecting images. But, to reach my end goal, I'll need to be able to read characters on screen. They will be the same font and the same size, consistently, so I don't have to worry about scaling issues, but for the time being I'm trying to understand how it works by storing an image in memory, without saving to file, from the recycle bin icon on desktop, and trying to grab the string recycle bin from the image. Update. I think I may have some breakthrough, but if I am trying to display the stream at the same time, there is some issues. However, I may be able to process the stream fast enough by using temporary files. My updated code is as follows. This currently spits out a permission is denied error, which is as follows. I am skeptical that this is normal, and I will be trying this update on my laptop at home. It could be due to restrictions on the work laptop, which I just don't have time to work around. I am rather confused why displaying the image without the while true loop works fine, as a screenshot. However, putting it in a while true loop causes the window to freeze.
I can get this code working. The sleep time may be a good thing to not explode your CPU.